现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin. 哇，这个好清脆的山歌是由黄伟杰所带来的《豆亚年纪》，也就是到这年纪，描述着人生不同阶段的心情变化。在追梦的时候呢，有的时候我们对前方的路不是很明朗，到底是要坚持下去，还是要放弃呢？他唱出了不只是他的心声，我想也是大部分人成长奋斗的心情吧。
豆亚年纪，眼的眼鼻，规规游戏。太年地的门，太年金门，爱多大地的面马家，灭了多出头毛，灭了多好色毛。多呀年纪，走东走西，人生嘛18滴，太家紧太，路家紧路。福行福报，福寿嘛福叫，你的夜家都是风，无头无路，人东无路用。Love that yo, you love that yo， 阿坤呀拜 ，you love that yo， 多呀年纪，面目重游，唔懂来归。在某人行嘅天生对人用意，顺几条hand18基的街路就行去，顺几条hand18熟识街路就行去，别说行去，情困难还有一多少。带你立马，钢天多林暗，还有一多沙，既然你冲山过那。
Hakka singer Huang Weijie puts a reality check on his track At This Age, 到这年纪 or 豆亚年纪. It describes the changing moods of different stages in a person's life. While you're chasing your dreams, there are going to be doubts and also some self-criticism as well. And while the road ahead is still not very clear, you struggle with whether you want to fight or give up. So whether you're 30, 50, or 80, keep living on. That does today's Hakka song on ICRT. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.